The Palo Alto Art Center's field trip program, Project Look, is the perfect volunteer opportunity for art lovers. Project Look, designed for kinder to 5th grade students, offers a tour of the current exhibition with a hands-on art activity. Volunteers lead groups of 10 to 12 students through the gallery, facilitating conversations among the students, encouraging them to look at art closely and share their ideas and interpretations with their classmates. To join the group, volunteers participate in 3 new docent training sessions, followed by 3 exhibition-specific trainings with the entire Project Look team. You'll be ready to facilitate tours in no time. To be successful, you will need to enjoy working with elementary school children and want to share your passion for art. No art history experience is required. Find out if this volunteer experience is right for you by emailing artcenter@paloalto.gov.